Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 21. This is Section 3.4, Problem 21. It says, find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 10 meters. So, we have a circle. The diameter, or distance all the way across, is 10 meters. So the circumference, or distance all the way around, is the diameter times pi. So pi is that number 3.14. So you would say diameter times pi, 10 pi. So some people will leave the answer like this, and you can put as many places after the decimal for pi as you want. Usually we say 3.14, but it goes on forever. It never stops. So for 3.14, the circumference would be 10 times 3.14. Now, to multiply a number with a decimal times 10 is very easy. The 1 0 and the 10 is going to pull the decimal point over one spot. So that we can do without really writing out too much. It's 31.4. Now, since this really is an application problem that involves units of measure, which is meters, my answer has to have the right units of measure. So for this, it will be meters. So the circumference is 31.4 meters. So in other words, if it's 10 meters to go across the circle through the center, the distance to make it all the way around the circle once would be 31.4 meters.